Elliot from the Curtain and Blind Company here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang your new wave pleat sheer curtain. So you can see, left side, already complete, looking excellent. I've got my step ladder. And if you want to come in close, I'll show you, there's a very simple routine to hanging these perfectly. So you want to go back and then around. So finishing these up, you want to go back and then around. Perfect wave pleat. Let's do that again. Back, around. Another perfect wave pleat. One more time. Back and around the wand, in. Perfectly hung wave pleat shears.